Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up to them viewers and subscribers. Big up in the self, man. I don't know, so the attacking boss, they are NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. I understand my people, yeah man, clean shave and them thing. They don't know the thing. Big up to the barber, you don't know. So, right about now, my people. We see the thing I know with this little youth and him family. DELAN0 talk on my people, and when I watch the thing honestly, my people, boy, I tell you, say, sad in some ways and feel joy in some ways, you know. Because in most ways I feel joy because I know you're going to get the help, my people, and I've seen where you get the help, so you don't know that. But the whole situation was really sad. And basically, honestly, my people, it just brought me back to where I'm coming from, you know. Because, yo, I didn't even like think about where I'm coming from sometimes, which it do help me if I push myself towards better still, you know. But the grateful way I think about in life now, people, and to know that just great that we have social media now. See, really great we have social media, because when I was young and going through these things, honestly, there wasn't the social media around, and community people know the situation we are living about. A lot of them use it as mockery, you see me I say, and look down upon you. You see me? Yeah man, but I'm grateful, happy to see the help we might get, which I know you might get a lot of help from a lot of people, and I'm saying a lot of them fake the thing, is it? A lot of them fake, a lot of them do this thing, forget this highlight, a lot of them do this thing, forget money out of people, because I've seen posts where the family are speak out and I say, yo, people are take money on their behalf and them not give them the money. You understand? So people are using these people and basically scamming other people, which you know Jamaica go, we know them thing I go. And this is when we talk about charity, and that's why you say I'm not too involved in any charity thing, certain we again my people, because I've tried with people, and I notice people come forward, only thing they do is want gain. You understand? That is why I'm cut ties with people. You know what I mean? I did have this person who was working with charity, my people, same way honestly, and basically I help them to build up YouTube, help them, and in the end of them deal with things and how they behave with certain things do happen. Not say with the charitable thing people, and I say yo, people not real. I say people fake. You know, people just, a lot of them fake. You have some of them who good people, but a lot of these people, what they are help people, they are fake, man, honestly. But when I say people, I have seen where with DELAN0 talker, a video was, you know, basically shared to my people, and I say where like the person who said she's the one who started this thing, and like she the one, the person who are come forward at the community, instead of them come separate and them one thing, them come together, you know what I mean, and come to our thing, and them that just comes a boom and just try to help others in the community, because there's other people in the community who needs help. See? So the video was sent, and basically the person said, look here now, I was the one who responds to this thing, but now I'm done with it. I'm not doing anything more. Whatever I have, the program that I have for DELAN0 talker, it's now closed. I'm not doing it no more because people are doing their own thing and it go the other way. So let me just share this little piece of clip with you all my people. You understand, so you can see what me I talk about.
But look how much people are right up as well. Yeah, people here say want help, and what we are say Tony say, make we finish the program with DELAN0, and if you want help other people, see other houses, people who want help in the community, and they want help DELAN0 specifically because they want the political points and whatever. Everybody want help also. Why they not step aside and make we finish what we're doing, so that they can, so that other persons can come on board to help. Everybody not going to believe in us again, and they already sending their money to us, and them want come do whatever them want do. And we tell them say come on board with us. Them no want come on board with us. Them want take over the program for themselves. They want to take over a program for themselves. Be a people in a community want help, so they could have want help the community also, but they want to take over the program.
Some of viewers and subscribers, but a real level, what this person is saying or whatever they do, you know. And this is our next thing I'm going to say. Why we can't just do things from our arts? Instead of do this thing, forget this highlight, forget this gigs or what. Alright. You know much things, you know, if anybody noticed, last year when I come to Boom and I do the NEWLINK back to school treat people, and I do the food drive. I share the food drive that I do because it was the first time I'm doing the food drive of people. I never did the food drive before when I feed the homeless, cook and feed the homeless. I never done that one before. But the school treat is a thing I would do yearly. And you know what I do people? You notice I share the food drive, I never share the school treat. I have those clips, you know, and I never, because there was a spirit that said NEWLINK, you know, say, you know, it's like, People, honestly, people for the things on them art. Naturally, if you know you're going to do something, you do it wrong. You get what me I say? Do it, with God. You get me I say? Do it with God and do it with God. Because when them people are the normal people, we understand the game. People are use this charitable thing like that. Them, as me tell people, to scam people and cheat people. But at the end of the day, you can't cheat from God, And you can't steal from God. You can't rob weed upon earth, but you can't rob God. See? So a lot of people are use them something of it. Come on, man. So the whole thing people we have seen where politicians come forward now and reach out, too much people come forward and reach out. And I can guarantee, I can tell you, a lot of people who in the community didn't know about the situation before. But just because now there's a video that went viral, somebody's shirt and it got viral and people see it now, then they find everybody will come forward. Why can't we use these things as a stepping stone now instead of, wait till somebody do a video and push it out or we see the situation? We try as people, because every community in Jamaica, you can find somebody in there who may not go so rich, but who have it like certain way, or who have connection to certain things, who have links to the certain things. And you can't tell me, say, you can't reach out, try to find either 2 person, 1 person, whatever, in your community, and help them. See, instead of to wait for them to come, then as a politician start come. I feel good politicians do come forward. I feel good if you see Asava Paul do reach out. I feel good, yes, of course. Yeah, I do feel good, Asava Paul is from St. Catching and thing, basically building them eras there and something so I know the place, know this or what, you know what I mean? But what I'm saying, my people, on a real level, why we can't use this as a stepping stone to try to reach out and help our less fortunate in communities in Jamaica instead of to wait and then come to get this highlight and take up this bag of picture and show about this video and come for your hand in them a little package, show yourself and smile and this and that. Honestly. I'm going to tell people, there's a lot of people being donating. There's a lot of people who are setting up their own thing, doing their own thing. And there's a lot of people who are scamming this thing. See, people, a lot of people choose this charitable works thing. And they're not doing it willingly from their heart, people. They are doing this thing to benefit for themselves. They are doing this thing to gain from it, my people. I appreciate the fact and I will never tell no one, say, don't help, don't give to nobody. But a lot of people doing this thing, they are crooks. You understand? And it's the truth, it's reality. A lot of people are going to say, come forward and talk about them collect this and the person behalf people. Sometimes they do collect these things. And when they find out how much they do get bad mind and jealous with what them get for the person. You understand? Because them not do them something from them art people. They might do it for gain from it. They might do it for get highlight from it. You know what I mean? And we have seen where it happen, people. Yeah, we have seen it. And them singing just sick. Yeah, I don't feel good about it. See? I appreciate the fact him get a scholarship now, because when they interview people and he said what he would want, you know what I mean, and he tell us he'd like to go pursue him career in agriculture, because I love that field, the people and something. And basically there's an organization which is a foundation and they come forward to assist him with that, which is great. See, I have seen the MP for the year, I guess it's what when he went up there, you grammar or something like that, I remember he went up there and something people them do them thing and so. But me I said, every community in Jamaica, people, we do find these things. And if I should come forward, people, and talk my story where I grew up, it could be a movie and I'm just waiting for the chance. One day, somebody can really give me a proper interview where me can come forward and share my story growing up, people. Because, it wasn't easy, people. It never easy. You know what I mean? And honestly, never easy. Rough. Tough. Just really tough. No joke about it. Tough. And that's when they come on to certain things, people, I'm really serious. I don't joke with certain things, because where I'm coming from, people, only just sees and he knows. Only thing, and I'm grateful that, as I said before in vlog, I did have a father who did it best in ways he can, even though he wasn't fully educated. You understand? But I'm saying, my viewers and subscribers out there, just know that when you're willing to help people, do it from your heart. You understand? And for the people out there, try to find person in the community who necessarily need help. If you can't go around and shoot a video the same way, get the situation where they're living. Don't be ashamed. And this is why, a lot of people reach out to me, especially through the pandemic, my people. A lot of people reach out to me for help. And I say, I notice there's a lot of scammer going around. I say, here I go now. I'm willing to help and can showcase. But look at video your situation, how you're living, and you're here and something, I'm going to get somebody come to see the place and thing and to prove it's real. And 99% of the time when I do mention that to them now, They don't want the video nothing. They don't want whatever. So you're not a thief. You know, when I look somebody for scam, how can you be going through a phase in life and you are ashamed? For what reason? I know if me reach a stage in my life where me not broke and hungry and I can't find jobs and me can't afford for work or nothing, people, you think me I go afraid for beg? For what? And dead for hungry? There's no way I'm going to show you, see that yes, I'm suffering and I need help. You understand? Nothing wrong with it. It's not a crime. You know, but some people. So, in the end, people, I'm happy and I'm grateful for the help this youth is getting and for the one them who are grown and I collect money on his behalf and know so a wrong thing when I do. Or now give the people them something an attack for uno. And you know, now blast, you attack on a launch, you attack on a play and a joke and a lenient with it. Straight attack for uno. When you need to do the right thing. Don't thief the people and scam the people them. You understand? Do it from the heart. Jaja sees and Jaja knows. So my people, big up on yourself. DELAN0 talk you and the family. I wish you all the best and I wish you all the success in life, my brother. I wish you, you go get the chance, you go to your university, whatever, you go to your college, you get a degree and can pursue your career and give your mommy 3 meals a day, 5 meals a day, and daddy and your sister and everybody and your family and enjoy yourself, youth. I wish you the best and I'm so proud of you, youth. And continue to do good in school, you're in 6th form now, continue to do good, continue to push on youth and go forward and don't give up. And there's a lot of people in Jamaica who are going through the same even worse situation, and I'm saying, people in the community, please come together and help and do it from the heart. You understand? I do it because yesterday man they have something and I go on and I call of them people who say are going about them foundation and launch them foundation thing, my channel program will give charity this, and they are crooks people. They are crooks. They ain't doing it from the heart. They are robbing them. Me are telling that. Because one did the way I was with and they are thief. I help one people and when I see them here is use people, bring down people, build up themselves. That's all they are doing and them still continue doing this thing and just cut them off. So be careful of them. Yeah. I will never help no more. Once they come forward about NEWLINK, I am not charity this, I want this. Nothing with NEWLINK. Me? Nothing. When they not come near me, go on crooks. Peace out.